Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Pay feature in Payoneer.com. So the Pay feature in Payoneer offers a few options to send payments through recipients via directly from Payoneer.com to another Payoneer account, to a recipient's bank account, to multiple Payoneer accounts, or to multiple recipient bank accounts. Another added feature is that you could also pay your value-added tax via Payoneer.com. So whenever you pay a recipient through their Payoneer account, you could do it two ways. First is you can manually add the recipient's Payoneer account info by entering their email. You can pay from whichever wallet that you have, a USD account, a Euro account, a GBP account, etc. And then you can pay to either a USD account, a Philippine account, a GBP account, whichever account that the recipient has, and Payoneer will automatically convert it to the final amount. You enter the amount that you want to pay, or you enter the amount that the recipient gets. You could also schedule this payment to show up on a certain day. Let's say you want to schedule for this payment for next week, you could do so. You could also have it repeat. If it's a one-time thing, you can have it repeat to never. You could have it repeat weekly, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, or quarterly, every third month. And then you just click next, and it's going to show you an overview of the payment details. And then once you confirm, then your money will be sent to your recipient. You could also receive payment requests and handle the payment transactions via the payment requests that will show up in this area. So once we go back to the pay options, you could also enter your recipient's direct bank account. And like I said, you could choose from whichever balance that you have available. So these are the current balances, current wallets that are available on my end, a USD, a Euro, and a British pound account. So let's just go with USD. Current balance, it'll show up as well. You could add a bank account for your recipient. You can add them yourself, or your recipient can add them later. Let's go with that option. You will have to enter your recipient's details. You will have to add the payee's details. You could click the language, you could choose the language, you could put the full name of the bank account holder, the country of your payee, and the currency of that bank account. If it's a US bank account, if it's a Philippine bank account, you could do so. So once you have the payment details for review, you will be asked to enter the amount of how much you're going to be paying your recipient. So the minimum amount that you need to be paying is $50, and the ceiling or the cap is going to be $110,000 every month. And once you add in the amount that you are going to be giving to your recipient, it gets automatically converted to their currency. And you can choose the purpose of the payment to pay for services that you receive, pay for goods that you've purchased, for project work, business expenses, for yourself or for your company. You can put the payment reference. When you hover over the question mark, it'll show probably a reference number, an invoice date, the customer's name, or if it's for a commission. The invoice number can be coming from the recipient themselves. The invoice date can also come from the recipient themselves. Reference number can be something that you could generate. You could also write in just the recipient's name and the transaction description. So once you enter all of the details and all the details looks good, you click review, and then you should be good to go.